We produce 7.6 million broilers per year. Around 90 million eggs are produced annually. The machine rechecks the eggs using a UV light to eliminate any bacteria. The eggs are placed into trays and they are packed into boxes. Then they are taken to the cool room before dispatch. The eggs are transported from farm to shop in 24 hours. Currently, we run 35 broiler houses in over 700 acres of land. Washed and arranged by weight, broilers' meat is packed and sent to a cooler room before dispatch. From farm to shop in 24 hours. Locally raised, naturally fresh.